Okay, ito na. Then B, and then si SLU.
So what's concentrated?
Okay.
So kanina po, they prepared their fresh pasta and we had it rest for about an hour and I think we're ready to cook it. And of course our executive chef, Dino Florendo.
Yes. Thank you, baby.
This is the first Baguio Country Club parent and child cooking workshop which will happen every year.
Sean, identify nila yun. Okay, so for now, we're going to ask a question and all they have to do is give us the correct answer. Ano yung sabi mo?
Tony.
Spaghettoni. Yung sumobra na B, and then si SLU.
So what's your name po?
Pangalan?
I'm Jeanette po.
Anong year na? Fourth year. Sige, kid. Ang blindfold si Janelle. Pops. Okay, Pops is what year in college? Second year. Okay, ito na.
Concentrated.
Nilolol nila niya. Oh.
Go ahead.
Magka-crack ng egg. Pagkain natin, ha? Panoorin natin yung pag-crack ng egg. Okay.
Rowena. Alright. So we have to
What do
separate.
you do?
Very gentle in the show when it comes to cracking. Good job, Nina.
Good job.
Future chef.
Okay. Yan si Anika. Anika, are you okay?
Yes.
Ito dito si Dante Serio at saka ano? Tomato and mali. Mali. Can we discuss dito? Other than okay, so something that you can taste also, no? Very good. Dito tayo kay Mami Apple and kay Selena. Okay. Huwag masyadong mainit para hindi.
Roxy Bayens.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Miss Earth. And Jem A.
Wow. Is it
At
yummy?
saka si Shona din.
You cooked that, right?
Model ng President's Room.
Huwag na pong i-search.
Caesar salad kanina. Kaya of course, they have a lot to one, no? So, station 2 na na, kulang. Kumpleto ba tayo? 6 up to 10.
Ayan.
Small thin slices. limited lang yung kanyang quantity. Because na-notice ko po karamihan,
Yeah. I'm next. Pasta tasting.
So just there. Atras mo yung content, okay? Giovanni,
Kasi masyadong matagal itong ma-redo. Banana. So, for our group pancake, is I use bread, strawberries, and banana.
and peaches.
And peaches.
How do you flip, chef?
This one,
Oh, it's all in the wrist.
is done from there. So, itong pancake natin, okay rin naman optional na lalagay ng anak or hindi. Or mga bata. Citrus and sauce. Pwede rin inside. Okay?
So, gusto nila chocolate. Okay, chocolate ang lalagay.
You see?
Ayan. Minsan, chef, pwede rin lagay ng ice cream sa ibabaw yan, no?
Pwede yung lalagyan ito ng ice cream. No problem. Okay. Pagka nagka-caramel kayo ng ng sugar, kailangan binabantayan mo palagi. Dahil once na na-over na itong sugar nyo, ang pait na ginagawa. Okay, masyado itong mapait. So, like this. Careful, careful guys. Okay, para iwas tayo sa bitterness na ginagawa natin, ilagay din natin kagad yung juice. Or juice.
Para hindi po maintindihan, chef, no?
Okay, then, habang nagkaganito kayo nyo, release lang siya, and then, dito kayo ilalagay nyo yung fruit. So, one is strawberry, ginasa natin masyadong water, kaya medyo matagal yung reduction ng sauce natin. Para hindi masyadong
Just ba yun ang linggo ba yung pork?
reduction pa. Habang nag-release kayo, sigurado dyan mamaya magulo. And then, masyadong delikado para sa mga bata. Then, one thing is na babaw siya. So, malapit na itong mag-reduce. Then, lalagyan nyo pa rin ito ng alcohol. Ang alcohol kasi ang gamit nito parang acid.
Okay, sulayin muna yung mga bata ulit, no? Ayan. Move back a little.
Ito kasi muna ito na kaya natin pinapa ko ito. Kailangan ito, mawala yung alcohol. hindi magiging dito. So, kaya
Okay? Move back. Yan na.
Mas-sauce pa siya, ha? Kulang pa ng reduction niya. So, hindi pa masyado siya natapos. Kaya, hindi ko pa nilagay lahat. Ito, ang ano siya, pera na lang maglagay dito yung nakakatakot dito sa mga bata. Tapos ibigay yung sa kanila yung kaya isang lalagay namin, one, nine, alpaan. Yun yun. At dito pa yung break, napakagandang mo sa lalagay mo lang sa yung mga slices mo ng fruit.
Okay, napakal po natin si Chef Mark Mabasa. Yan yung tinatawag na fruit. Yung nila dito is yung fruit bread.
Careful lang po.
Careful lang dito ha, baka you might fall down. Tapos pinapoy tayo dito ha. Ano ba? Okay. Siguro mo din.
Yes. It smells really good.
Oo.
Yung butter.
Gusto ni Mina yung fruits.
Magtitimpla na sila, inubos na nila. Siya pang galit. Hindi ko naman dito ng
Station 5, your entry please. If you're ready.
Just a few.
Pagtapos nila, batikban niya, tapos na sila. Naka-ready na, tapos all fruit. Ha?
Okay, recording. Yes.
I'm Nina. Look, I won.
Yes, you have a certificate. Can you open it for us so I'll see? Yeah. From here. Yeah, show you the names.
Hello, this is mommy.
Yeah. Did you have fun cooking?
And this is me, Nina.
Yes.